the kappa, add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon. Add salt. And 2 cups of water. The water level has to be above the kappa. Mix together. Cook the kappa for about 10 to 20 minutes. Now we're going to cook the beef. We use 1 kg of beef. Green chili, 10 cloves of garlic, ginger, salt, and 3 onions. Mix it very well. Cook this until 4 whistles. Now we're gonna make the masala. The ingredients are cinnamon, turmeric powder, 1 cup of coconut, shallots, sliced garlic, dry red chili,
coriander seeds, poppy seeds,
curry leaves,
anise, fennel seed, black peppercorns, yes, cloves, 2 bay leaves, cardamom.
Look, the tapioca is almost ready. While the kappa is cooking, we are going to make the masala. First, add some coconut oil. In the pan. Next, add shallots, garlic, curry leaves, when it gets softer, add coconut. Fry this until it gets golden brown. can see, it's starting to turn a golden brown color. Add half teaspoon of turmeric and transfer this into a different bowl. Now we're gonna fry all the masalas. Add the poppy seed at last. It is all fine. Now we're gonna make a paste all together. Before making this paste, make sure to cool it down. Now our fried coconut has cooled down. Now we're gonna make a paste. Do not add water. If you want, you can add oil. If I add water, it's gonna turn to a black color. Now we're gonna grind all the garam masala. The garam masala is ready. Our beef and kappa are cooked. Now we're gonna add the garam masala into the beef. Half cup of water. Mix together. Add the coconut paste. When it starts boiling, add the kappa. Now we're gonna add the kappa. Our kappa beef is almost ready. We just need to garnish it. We are gonna garnish with some curry leaves, onions, shallots, and dry chili. First, add some coconut oil in a different pan. Add the shallots. and dry chili. And a little bit more coconut oil. We are adding coconut oil so it can have better taste. When it turns brown, put it on top of the curry. It's almost ready to come off the fire. Garnish on top of the curry. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.